Hello friends, welcome back to IBS Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour. So before starting this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and complete my 3K subscriber. A lot of people are not subscribing my channel, so please I request you kindly hit the subscribe button and complete my 3K subscriber. I need your support. I know you subscribed my channel. I know. Thank you so much for subscription. Thank you so much. Now let's see what changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour result. First of all, we look the last 2 hour price changes in Hedera Hashgraph. As you can see now, first of all, we look the chart analysis of Hedera Hashgraph in the previous last 2 hour. If we look the chart analysis of Hedera Hashgraph and the previous last 2 hour, so the graph tells us that the Hedera Hashgraph falls down in the previous last 2 hour. If we see the chart, the changes of Hedera Hashgraph, so it's still us the changes as negative 2.96% occurs in Hedera Hashgraph in HBAR in the previous last 2 hour change. It's absolutely a big change in Hedera Hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, the high price of Hedera Hashgraph as $0.407919 is the high price of Hedera Hashgraph. Now that is the live price prediction, the live price changes, the live price prediction of last 2 hour of Hedera Hashgraph you are watching now. Now let's see what's the changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see now, let's see the last 1 hour result of Hedera Hashgraph. What changes of the price occurs in last 1 hour. Oh my god, it's absolutely good news for all Hedera Hashgraph. The previous last 1 hour is absolutely good news for all Hedera Hashgraph users. As you can see the graph of the Hedera Hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour, so it's still us that the Hedera Hashgraph start jumping upward, as you can see on this period. As you can, that is the live price changes in the last 1 hour. Oh my god, the changes is also positive, as you can see here, and very good change in Hedera Hashgraph and the previous last 1 hour. The change is a positive 3.57% change occurs in a Hedera Hashgraph in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Hedera Hashgraph in the last 1 hour is $0.409665 is the high price of Hedera Hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe IBS Tech channel for more latest news and update about Hedera Hashgraph. Thank you so much.